Hi there. It's been 3 months since we started this channel, and we already got to 500k subs.
Hey, why do you have a K there?
Because it's 500 cool subs. I mean, look at these 500 subs. Aren't they cool?
Well, that might be misleading, because some people are gonna think we have 500,000 subscribers.
Dude, did you go to school? 500,000 has 3 more zeros.
Of course I went to school. If you went to school, I went to school. We share the same head, remember?
Well, you probably slept through all the math classes.
No, I didn't.
If you're watching this and you're not one of those cool subscribers, subscribe to our channel now.
And be cool.
Because our channel is growing, and pretty soon we're gonna have as much subs as Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast, you're joking me.
Yeah? Our channel's pretty cool.
Why would people watch our channel? So they can listen to how you talk to yourself?
Hey, why you gonna be so negative? We got some good content on our channel. I think all people would like to make games.
Sure.
And with no code, anyone can make games.
I still don't know why you do no-code content. I thought you liked coding.
Yeah, I like coding. That's why I provide the content so you won't have to code.
Mm-hmm.
Some writes the code, and then other people use no code to make things. I mean, that makes sense.
Yeah, that totally makes sense.
Are you starting to be negative again?
If you're watching this video and you're subscribed, click on the like button if you like our content. If you don't like our content, also click on the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe.
Oh look, there's still someone watching.
He's probably the super cool sub.